Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful, bringing you another vlog. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to like and comment. I am on the street of London trying to bring you another vlog. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and depending on your geographical location. It's a wonderful London morning. The weather is a bit sunny and it's changing gradually like you normally do in London, and this is a wonderful day. It's a little chilly and a little windy. You can see I'm gonna show you these things so for you to see how it's done here. Before I do, let me show you this beautiful is that royal palm they call it. See how this place is decorated with a royal palm. You can see the building, you can see how it is. It's wonderful. A gated apartment, a gated house, lovely, with everything you can think about. So okay, let's look at the royal palm. You can see that's the bus stop there. You can see the place. We are moving. I want to show you something. You can look at how it's done here in London. You can see this is a zebra crossing and all the you can see the so I'm just crossing now. You can see I'm crossing. So this is because they are doing something here. You see they just put something to help the people not to cross. They are doing a pavement, you see. They put the pedestrian to show that's safety. You can see what they do so that the pedestrians walk here, because they are trying to repair this. You see this, you see the slab on this. Because of that, they now put this barricade for public safety. That's how we roll here actually. Safety first, no stories, and safety first. So you can see how the place is today. The weather start to change again. It start to change, but we are marching on, bringing you another vlog. You can see this place. You can see how here is very nice. You can see this place. So that's how it is. We are marching on. We are really marching on. No leave, no transfer. That's you can see how everywhere trees. You can see trees everywhere. You can see trees. You can see everywhere trees. Look at this beautiful tree. You can see this. You can see this with nice flowers. You can see how it's responding to the spring. What a wonderful sight to behold. You can notice that there is always bin near the bus stop. You can see the bin where they put the trash. You see, near the bus stop there is this is the bus stop, and you can see also how they do this place. This is a pedestrian and cycle path. the cyclist has their own say. This is another beautiful one. This is the palm again. You can see the palm, how it is. It is very nice. Very, very nice. So we are marching again. We are marching again. We are marching again. That's me. That's me. I am Kodili-nye bringing you this. That's me. Let's continue our. You see how they did this place? Very nice. You can see. I don't know if you're getting it. But you can see this a basement down there. This is a basement. See, that's for sure. Okay, we keep on marching. We keep on marching. We keep on marching. You can see this one again. That's a basement on there. That's a basement. You can see how the place is. You can see, I bring nearer to you. You see, that's the basement. I don't know if this gets correctly, but you can see. So that's how it is here. So what is happening in your end? What is happening there? Just if you are joining this video, how's everything going on there? You can see this beautiful. This is a beauty to behold. This house is quite beautiful. I don't know if this camera is bringing it the whole beauty. This is up to 2 million watt house here. 2 million pounds. That's the figure. That's the figure. You can see it is wonderful. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. You can see we are marching on the street once again. Marching. That's you can see. This one is it's not bad. This is a clinic. This is a clinic. You can see. I just show you Kingston here clinic. You can see this is a clinic. See how neat it is. We have also a basement. That's wonderful. You can see. We just show you this place. I don't know if it's showing everything. Just show you. Okay. You can see. You can see. We are marching on. We are marching on. This is another clinic. This is another clinic. So many clinics. GP, surgery, medical practice. You can see. This another one. So we are marching on. We just passed the Fair Hill medical practice. This is bamboo, you know. They use it to decorate this place. This is bamboo. They use it as fencing. This is bamboo. This is bamboo. You see? This is bamboo. You can use it to fence your place. This is bamboo. You see? You can use it to fence Okay, we keep on marching. Keep on marching. Keep on moving. We keep on marching on. Look at a beautiful dog. That's another dog. The dog walkers are moving around. So we are on our stroll again, enjoying the beauty of the environment. So please, if you like me to be bringing you all these things, just always indicating by commenting what do you like. What do you like for me to be bringing for you? What do you like for me to be bringing for you? Just always indicate, and I am on your service. Remember, I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. Remember to like, comment, turn on notification button, share to your friends, and also subscribe. Please subscribe and subscribe. Tell your friends about this, a wonderful experience, and we will be coming to almost the end of this one. You can see this place. Let us just look at up the road again. I don't know if the sun is affecting the quality, the video quality. So remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and have a wonderful time. Bye. Okay, you can see the people going their businesses. From here you can go to Richmond Park, the famous Richmond Park. I will be bringing you more. See you. I am Kodili-nye.